this episode, we're going to be putting this iPad Mini 2 into the microwave. Now, this is a customized microwave, so I can remote control it. I honestly don't know what's going to happen to this iPad. It's in its fresh state, 100% battery and Bluetooth is turned on. And I guess with that said, let's chuck this in the microwave and see exactly what's going to happen to it. Use a rock to stand it up. Is that visible? Oops. Alright, there we go. Got the iPad standing up. Now, because this microwave is fully wireless, I'm able to stand back at a safe distance to make sure that I don't get hit by any, I don't know, potential debris. I'm not expecting it to explode. Honestly, it's probably just gonna smoke up. But let's see what happens. I'm able to watch a live feed of that camera that's inside the microwave on my phone over Wi-Fi. I am hoping that there's going to be some sort of an explosion. I have removed all the safeties, except for one, the door safety. So if the door's open, it will disable everything. Oh, smoking up in there, smoking up. Quite a bit of smoke. Not seeing any more damage happening to the iPad. I think it's time to take it out. I can really smell the burning plastic, and I can hear it crackling a little bit. Oh, poor iPad. Oh, hot to the touch, as expected. Let me grab something to pull it out easier and safer with. Your pliers should be okay. Try not to break the screen. So it looks like there was some sort of bulging happening, probably the battery due to it being heated up. Cracks at the bottom, that'll be due to it trying to expand and pop out of there. Can I twist this and... oh, hey! Got it working again, look at that. Now I'm going to deem this as a perfectly fine iPad. That's workable. You can see the screen, and it's got some funky background colors and some, let's call this obsidian dots. It's still really hot. I feel like it only turned off because it overheated. Oh, hey, hola! Well, there you have it. The iPad survived being in a microwave. Sort of. If you'd like to see something else done with this iPad, or if you want to see something else put in that microwave, don't forget to chuck it down in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe.